Hello kids, how are you doing? I'm sure you must be rocking as always. Today we will learn some more about Earth. But unfortunately, not good but sad things. Today I will tell you how our beautiful planet is getting destroyed. Let me start with a question. Which is the most intelligent species on Earth? Yes, you are right. We humans. And do you know which species is causing utmost damage to Earth? Unfortunately, humans. You must be thinking, how? Let me try to make you understand. The waste we humans produce are of two kinds, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Our Earth can recycle only biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste means waste like vegetables, fruits, paper waste, cardboard, deceased animals, etc. And non-biodegradable wastes are like rubber, plastic, metal, batteries, which cannot be recycled. Do you know what is recycling? Recycling means converting waste into usable material. In fact, we can use different dustbins for sorting biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. It's already in practice in many countries. Humans should be intelligent enough to create waste that can be recycled and causes less or no pollution. There are various kinds of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Let's first talk about soil pollution. Yes, I am talking about the same soil where plants and crops grow. We humans knowingly or unknowingly introduce harmful chemicals and substances into soil. Confused how we do it? Let me tell you how. What do you do when you see mosquitoes around? You use pesticides. Similarly, when insects eat vegetables or crops, we use pesticides. This pollutes our soil. Let me give you a very recent example here. World Culture Festival, which was organized by Art of Living on the bank of Yamuna River in Delhi, resulted in polluting Yamuna River to a large extent. We should protect and save our rivers. Scientists should find a midway solution that protects us as well as our environment by producing pesticides which do not harm soil. Deforestation is also bad as it creates soil erosion. Let me tell you what is deforestation. It means cutting huge number of trees. Oh, are you wondering why these trees are cut? Well, they are cut for making furniture and paper. Now think twice before wasting paper. Also, trees provide us oxygen and they breathe in carbon dioxide, which humans produce. So when we cut trees, air becomes more polluted and we don't get oxygen. Alright, let me ask you this now. To go further, do you travel in car or bus? Of course, you must be when you go out with your parents for a drive. So when you travel, do you see black smoke coming out of vehicles? This is pollution we humans are spreading in air and making our air polluted. Understand this? When gases, dust particles or smoke are introduced to air, it causes air pollution, damaging the environment. The pollution is affecting us badly, as with illness like cold, chest congestion and asthma. You know, Delhi is amongst one of the most polluted cities. Air pollution can be cut down by carpooling and adopting means of travel which are environment friendly. You know, we have not even left clean water. We are polluting our water resources with chemicals, dirt and waste material. You must have heard about our national river Ganga. People of India worship Ganga, not just of holy reasons, also because Ganga river has special self-cleansing quality. It has chemicals which cleans toxins of its water. But unfortunately, we are polluting this sacred river by conducting rituals in the river and by introducing waste in the river like plastics, flowers, etc. Not only this, industrial waste like chemicals are also polluting our national river. You will be happy to know that our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has taken up huge project by the name of Namami Ganga to clean Ganga River. Let us pledge to keep it clean and pure now. Have you heard of global warming? No, it's not related to summer season. Global warming means gradual rise in temperature of Earth. Now you will ask, why is temperature on Earth rising? Well, it is rising because the ozone layer above Earth is getting torn because of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a toxic gas which comes out of vehicles, refrigerators, and air conditioners. So when heat on Earth is rising, two bad things are happening. Earth's climate is rising, resulting in global warming, and also the ozone layer is tearing. We should ensure that ozone layer should not get torn and temperature on Earth does not rise. We can do so by reducing emission of carbon monoxide in environment. As per recent news by scientists, our ozone layer has started recovering. Why not to help it in recovering fast by taking care of pollution? You know, India is increasing use of solar energy under its National Solar Mission. That means more sun energy will be used than electricity in future projects. This will help in reducing global warming. Also, first time, 195 countries joined hands in historic Paris Agreement on climate change to keep temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius. Indeed, it's a great move, isn't it? Friends, we have only one planet which supports life. Promise me you will save it by doing your bit and telling others to do so. See you soon. Bye-bye.